It was just 2 weeks back when I got to know that my parents have been tested COVID positive. When it happened, how it happened was not the question then. It was more on now what. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Unlock the Log by Ashay. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video to the max you can. Well, I am not an expert, but after doing some research and going through few articles and then experimenting it in my own family, I did prepare a diet chart which can help someone suffering from corona and can even help anyone looking for a better and a healthy lifestyle. Besides this, I will also be sharing 7 very important takeaways to fight corona towards the end of this video. So stay tuned. So to start with, begin your morning routine with a glass of lemon juice water. Take 1 lemon juice along with a pinch of haldi, cinnamon, jeera, black pepper and a very little ginger. Mix it in warm water and have it. These ingredients have antiviral properties and will help to boost immunity. Then in breakfast, always go for something light yet filling. To start, have at least 1 fruit like apple, pineapple or any seasonal fruit. Along with that, have boiled eggs so that your protein intake gets balanced and your body keep on repairing cells and creating the new ones. However, if you are a vegetarian, then you can have something like upma, poha, idli, dosa. You can also have something like oats with milk. Once you are through with breakfast, then after an hour or so, you can have some drink in terms of any herbal tea or kadha. For that, take a pan and in a boiled water, add some ginger, pudina, tulsi and then consume it. You can also add some other spices like cloves, cinnamon as per your taste. These ingredients will help you to strengthen your immunity and fight infections. After an hour or so, you should be having some fruits. Something like watermelon, muskmelon or papaya for proper digestion and which are primarily good source of vitamin C. Then comes the lunch time. In lunch you can have dal rice and in dal you can have moong dal, that is yellow lentils, which are easily digestible, or you can even have chapati and vegetable. In vegetable, go for some leafy vegetables like spinach, cabbage, which have anti-inflammatory properties and are rich source of calcium, iron. Include ghee in your diet for proper digestion and gut health. Do not forget to have salad during lunchtime, and post lunch do have something like buttermilk for easy and quick digestion. After an hour or so of lunchtime, have the last and final round of fruits with either something like oranges, strawberries, which are rich source of vitamin C and have antioxidant properties, or some seasonal fruits which helps you to strengthen your immunity. After a couple of hours, you can have evening snack in which you can have some dry fruits like dates, almonds, seeds and so on, which balances your intake for protein and zinc. Or you can also have some puffed rice, legumes or lentils, which are again rich in protein and helps to boost your immunity. Along with this, you can take green tea or you can even have coconut water. And then last but not the least is the dinner. Keep your dinner light with more of vegetables, preferably leafy ones. Also have good amount of salad, soup, more of veg soup, sweet corn soup, so that required nutrition is met along with proper digestion. And finally, before sleeping, have a cup of warm milk with turmeric, which help in cleansing the entire system. You can also alter this diet depending on your taste, preference, weather condition and so on. Now, as promised during the start of this video, it is the time for 7 very important takeaways. First,
Ensure that you keep yourself well hydrated during the entire day by having enough water intake. Second, have small portion of meal which helps you to keep energized with speedy recovery. Third, avoid sugar,
garam masala, packed food, fried food and similar other stuff.
Fourth, take good amount of rest and don't exert yourself. Fifth, stay mentally calm and strong. Sixth, do regular light breathing exercise, for which you can check out my earlier video on pranayam. And finally, seventh, take good amount of sleep so that your body gets sufficient time to recover. With this, there is nothing which can stop you from recovering and staying fit. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to share your thoughts and comments on the same. Till then, keep learning, keep inspiring, keep following, keep commenting, keep tagging, keep sharing. Stay lean, stay fit. Peace, India.